Here it is, the iPhone 13 mini, and I went for Starlight, which is an off-white colour. So it'd be interesting to see how good it looks. Let's take a closer look. And here it is, the iPhone 13 mini. You get a choice of 5 colours with this model, and I decided to go for the Starlight colour, which actually looks better than I expected. It also has more storage capacity than my previous iPhone 12 and starts at 128GB, which is what I've gone for, going up to 512GB. I have to say, I really do like the colour. It's an off-white and it is very stylish. And I like the edge, it's like a silver edge. And the contrast goes really well with the Starlight white colour. And I like the silver edge to the lenses. Very smart. It really is a lovely looking phone. You also get a Lightning to USB-C charging cable in the box, but not a USB-C power adapter, as Apple are trying to reduce their carbon emissions by reducing the size of the box. So if you haven't got one of these from an old iPhone, you'll have to buy it separately, and you can either buy them directly from the Apple Store or from Amazon for a relatively cheap price. And finally, you also get a SIM card removal tool and some health and safety information. And I just want to show you the two most obvious improvements that the iPhone mini has over Apple's previous model, the iPhone 12 mini. And the first one is the larger camera lenses at the back, which are now positioned diagonally. And these larger lenses will let more light in, enabling significantly higher quality photos in low light conditions. And if I turn on the iPhone 13 mini, you'll see the other obvious improvements over the iPhone 12, and that's the smaller notch, which houses several sensors, the front camera and a microphone. And I wonder how long it is before Apple releases an iPhone without a notch, so we can have an all-screen design. I really am a fan of the iPhone mini, as you can use it one-handed, it fits easily in your pocket, and this iPhone mini really is a beautiful version of Apple's iconic iPhones. But how functional is it? And how much better is it than their previous iPhone 12 mini? Well, if you want to find that out, please subscribe to see my full comparison review of the iPhone 13 versus the iPhone 12 mini coming very soon. Thanks for watching.